everyone and welcome to Housey. मैं हूँ फलक and आज हम आए हैं at the actual location of DLF Group's newly launched residential project जो कि located है at अंधेरी West near Infinity Mall. हम करने वाले हैं इस project का teaser overview. Let me first quickly show you the project actual location. ये जो मेरे पीछे आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर कंस्ट्रक्ट होने वाला है DLF अंधेरी. काफ़ी बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है एंड इट इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू द मेन रोड जहाँ पर इन्फिनिटी कनेक्ट होता है. अपकमिंग मेट्रो भी आप देख रहे हो बस राइट आउटसाइड द प्रोजेक्ट आने वाली है. So yes, this is the actual location of the project which is going to be of 18.5 acres. So right now we are standing right outside DLF Andheri and let me quickly show you the road. There's an upcoming metro station which is right outside the project. यहाँ से आप आगे जाओगे तो just in 300 meters आपको मिलता है Infinity Mall. And this road goes towards Yogeshwari. यहाँ पर है other tower and here is the way for DLF Andheri. Well, now let's talk about the project overview. This project is going to be constructed on 18.5 acres of land parcel जिसमें होने वाले हैं 8 towers and they will be of 4 basement parking plus ground plus podium plus 35 residential floors and there will be 3 and 4 BHK premium deck apartments. So coming to the location part, so मैं आपको बता दूँ that this is located in Andheri West near Infinity Mall. So Infinity Mall is just like 300 meters from this project. साथ ही साथ Infinity Mall metro station is around 100 meters from the project. Then we connect to Lokhandwala Circle in just 5 minutes. We connect to the Western Express Highway in 2.9 kilometers. And we also connect to SV Road in just 1.8 kilometers. Well, now let's talk about the amenities part. So let me tell you that the project is going to be having 50 plus ultra luxurious amenities with the likes of Infinity swimming pool, a lawn as well as multi-purpose court, indoor games, kids play area, jogging track, screening room and much more. चलिए अब बात करते हैं carpet area के बारे में. So let me tell you that the project is going to be having 3 and 4 BHK premium apartments with deck, wherein the 3 BHK is going to be having an area of 1125 square feet to 1550 square feet carpet area, and the 4 BHK with deck is going to be of 1955 square feet carpet area. Now let's discuss the booking process. So EOI window of the project is now open. Clients can come and visit the site. We can arrange a meeting at the convenient place of the customer. In this meeting, we will show the actual location to the client, will show the pricing and payment scheme as well, and we'll also give you complete details of the project. And then if the client likes the project, then they can book by paying a token of rupees 10 lakhs. This token will have multiple benefits. Exclusive launch discounts. The customers will get exclusive launch discounts over and above others. Unit allocation. So the customers can choose their respective apartment and confirm the booking. If you have any queries related to the pricing, brochure, payment scheme, or if you want to do an actual location visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing, teaser, project overview videos, subscribe to our channel Housey. So everyone, this was the teaser of DLF Group's newly launched residential project DLF Andheri, which is located right near to Infinity Mall in Andheri West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.